Yeah, hello guys. Today we're going to look at the Rubik's Cube and the math axis. So in maths there are three axes. There's an X, Y and Z axis. So normally when you have a system like this, an axis system like this, or basis, you look at it from the top, and the top part is the white, the bottom part is the yellow, and then the center colors are these red, green, orange and blue. So when you look at it from the white part, you realize that the white is like the top, the main top. And I think we can even remove, it's possible to even remove the white cover so that it becomes clear. So inside here you realize that there's a screw that's attached to a spring. That's what makes it flip. That's what makes it stretchy. And there's an axis system, a white axis system there, as you can see. Now, so if you look at it from this angle, after detaching the white cover, you can see the y-axis and the x-axis in this case. So the y-axis from here to here, the x-axis from here to here. Now the z-axis, the z-axis comes from the white, that's the top, all the way to the bottom. So we can fix this cover here. It's just like a top bit, or a cup on top of the bottle. We just fix it here, and it goes back. So we want to fix this using fix this cube so that eventually we get something like this. So in case yours spoils up, is you can first of all recognize the various axes. This is like the engine of this system. So what I want to do is that I want to build the system around like this, around like that, and then eventually fill in on the corners. So there are, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners. There are 8 corners, and you can see the 8 corners here. 4 of these. 4, you can see 4 of these have 3 colors. They are the corner colors. Corner colors have 3, there's another 4 here. There's 3 colors on it, but the rest have 2 colors on it. So the 2 colors represent the middle colors. So without wasting much time, like I said, that's what I want to do. So what I want to do is I want to build up the middle colors, these middle colors. And the system is such that it can fit. There's a circular part in the middle here. All you have to do is just let it fit into it, and it fits. So what I want to do is that I want to just fit it all around. And yes, I want to fit it all around. You have to be careful while you're stretching it so that you will not be losing them. You have to be careful. It's a delicate work. Yep. So simple. I have the first side fitted. So where's the white? This is the white. So you notice that this is the white center. So I fixed the x-axis. This is the x-axis. I fixed the x-axis. Now I want to fix the y-axis. By doing this, I think I've used 4. I've used 4 of the middle colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need 4 to go around each axis. So let's pick another set of 4 to go around the next set of axes. So gently, whilst holding this firm, I will want to slide this so that I build the next set of axes. You have to be very delicate with it, or you will, if you're not delicate, you're going to destroy the pattern. So as you're fixing, you can be adjusting it so that the axis will fall in place. Okay, so I have another set here that I can gently. So this is just some really interesting stuff. In case yours gets destroyed, this is just a tutorial on how to fix it yourself. Yep. Yes. So notice that, like I said, this is the white top, this is the yellow under, and I have fixed the y-axis and the x-axis. So the y-axis and the x-axis is there. But you realize that there's a height to it. That's the z-axis. So we have to fix it. We have to fix the z-axis. Yes. So I think we need to. So once you fix the x-axis, what you need to do now is get around to fitting the corner colors. Yes, so you fit the corner colors like that. Fit the corner colors. Yes, once you fit the corner colors, the 2 corner colors, then you can fit in the So we have this here. As you will notice, we have this. So the trick is to fit the corner colors. After fixing the x and y, you get the z by fixing the 2 corner colors. Yes, and then you fix in the middle. Slide bit of slide force, then it gets fitted. So again, fit into my corner color. Right? And then I put the middle colors there. Neat. Almost there. So then I have my corner color almost there. And then the last middle. Hope that it doesn't mess. Uh-oh. Gentle. The final block. Ooh. Perfect. So we now have our cube. Yeah, now it's ready to fix. So the axis is working now. Like I said, this is the X and Y axis. That's what we built first. And then we came to build the Z axis by fitting the corner cubes, and then attaching the middle cube, the E cubes. Yes, after fitting the X axis, X and Y axis, we came to fix the corner cubes, and then fitted the middle, the width cubes or the midline cubes, and then we have this. So once you have this, you'll be able to solve it right there using the system. Yes, and then you can put it all together, flip, and then you can, as you can see, trying to get me cross. Yes, so the last final part of the cross over here, and then go back. So here. Yes, so the final part of when you have any of the two colors, so the white, what is it? That's here. So when you have the color mismatching, this is white, red, so it's mismatched. So this is what I'll do. So what I'll do to get this color turned is that I will divide the front, then I'll divide the side. And you realize that it is from here. So then I will, again, what do? Divide the bottom. Divide the front, divide the side. If you imagine yourself here, that's like you're dividing the bottom. And now it's back here. So you can now flip it all around. And that is how you obtain the cross. The blue. I'm watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe so that more of you guys can get the cubes. Yes. We appreciate the help also from the sponsors who are supporting the young ones to get the cubes. Thank you very much for your support.